keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened. Former unit trust consultants publicly reprimanded for misconduct. The Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia has publicly reprimanded 2 unit trust scheme consultants for their respective breaches of the Federation's rules. In a statement on the 8th of July, FIMM said it has reprimanded Kong Wai Hong, a former unit trust scheme and private retirement scheme consultant of Kenanga Investors Berhad, as well as Noraini Hamat, a former unit trust scheme consultant of Kenanga Investors Berhad. FIMM added that Kong and Noraini have been barred from registration with the Federation for a 1-year period effective the 10th of June 2022. Indonesia mutual fund assets down 5.35% in first half as foreign investors exit. Indonesia's fund management industry assets fell 5.35% in the first 6 months of 2022 as foreign investors pulled out of emerging markets in favor of U.S. bonds as the U.S. Federal Reserve hiked interest rates and signaled more increases ahead to rein in soaring inflation. The industry had 548.48 trillion rupiah of assets as of end June, down from 579.93 trillion rupiah at the end of 2021, according to latest figures published on the website of the Financial Services Authority of Indonesia. The regulator typically posts the data without providing analysis. As SEC closes in on ESG rules for funds, the bulk of frequent investors say they value such standards. In less than a month, the public comment period on the Securities and Exchange Commission's proposals tied to environmental, social and governance investments will come to an end, bringing the agency closer to the finish line on rules that a leading investor trade group and a Republican SEC commissioner have railed against. The proposed rules would dictate how fund managers can market products that claim to meet ESG standards and boost disclosure requirements for those funds. Moves that come after one estimate found that $70 billion was invested into sustainable funds last year. While frequent investors still value profitability over socially conscious concerns, they are also more likely than the general public to recognize the importance of ESG standards in investments, a Morning Consult survey found. MAS tightens Sing dollar policy again in off-cycle move to slow inflation momentum. The Monetary Authority of Singapore again boosted its support for the Singapore dollar in an off-cycle policy decision on the 14th of July to cool inflation that is expected to rise faster than previously anticipated. MAS will re-center the midpoint of the Singapore dollar nominal effective exchange rate policy band up to its prevailing level. There will be no change to the slope and width of the band, the central bank said in a statement. This policy move, building on previous tightening moves, should help slow the momentum of inflation and ensure medium-term price stability, it added. Malaysia's EPF launches platform for members to buy affordable insurance. Malaysia's Employees Provident Fund has launched a platform aimed at helping members to buy approved life and critical illness insurance plans at affordable premiums. The self-service platform, called iLindung, which translates into protect in the Malay language, can be accessed around the clock. There are 3 Islamic insurance or takaful companies and 2 conventional insurers currently participating: FWS Takaful, Prudential Assurance Malaysia, Prudential BSN Takaful, Etika Life Insurance, and Etika Family Takaful, the EPF says in a statement on the 13th of July. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its 2021 annual report. Visit fimm.com.my to download a digital copy. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.